I hope this comes out. It's kind of dark, but the blackbirds are on their yearly migration. They always fly through here every year about this time. Pretty cool. There's thousands of them. That tree up there is just polluted with blackbirds. It's amazing how many there are. There they go. It's just unbelievable. Thousands upon thousands of blackbirds. They're up above my head. It seems as if they take the same path year after year after year. It's just unbelievable. Amazing. Usually they all land down here in the woods in that tree, the trees down there, but this year they were above the house. Pretty cool. I like it. I like to watch them. I like to hear them. They were that loud in the house. I thought it started to rain. It's only about 7 o'clock in the morning, so I don't know how well this will come out. That tree over there is just polluted with them. After a bit, probably 10 minutes of them flocking together here for their morning flight, they actually head over to that mountain over there, and they'll land on them trees for a little bit. You can see them when they land. Pretty cool. There they go. Well, they're going back to the same tree again. They'll do this probably 10-15 minutes until they all get ready and decide they're going to fly wherever they're going. Just amazing. Yep, I had about enough bird watching. I guess I'll go back in. My arm's getting tired from holding this camera up. Just thousands of them. I don't know what it is about this path, but every year the same path. My neighbor's down there trying to scare him off. She's hitting something, sticks against sticks or something. The cat's probably saying, "Ooh, I can get a lot to eat today." Aren't you, Miss Kitty? You're probably thinking, "Oh, if I could only get them birds." If I could only get them birds. Yep, all the way from down here. I don't know if you can see them. Over here. That tree's full. There's a bunch of them flying off now. They're in the pine trees. They're over there in them trees. It's unbelievable. Just thousands of them.